So, Mr. Robles, bakit po yung thermal low quality? Ang laki-laki ng kinikita, plus sa price reserve fund.
Baka
By
naman
the-
po,
by the
baka naman
billions,
po handling. Baka po handling naman.
handling daw or poor quality talaga?
Ang gusto nilang i-inform, Mr. Chairman, si President Duterte. Ang gusto nilang i-inform through ES Medialdea.
Exactly. Yun pong gawin niya ng paraan. Kasi in this case, yung kay Ma'am Salvador, 642 yung pinag-uusapan. So, hindi na po yung sa 2 digits. So, that is something na kailangan magawa niyo ng paraan, baguhin yung inyong system, nang sa gayon, ayoko nang marinig na mag-aabono pa itong mga pobre teller natin. Malit na nga lang sweldo, mag-aabono pa. Ma'am Javier.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to add also na sometimes po it's not naman the machine itself. Yung pong printing, yung pong thermal, sometimes the ticket comes out po punit na. So may problema po talaga tayo dun sa thermal din at saka dun sa ginagamit po na payslip. No? Sometimes po kahit na,
Sino pa nagpo-provide ng thermal?
I think po PCSO
Okay.
does.
So, Mr. Robles, bakit po yung thermal low quality? Tama, ma'am? Low quality is the right word?
Yes.
Ang laki-laki ng kinikita, plus sa price reserve fund.
Baka
By
naman
the-
po,
by the
baka naman
billions,
po
eh.
handling. Baka po handling naman. Baka din naman po handling. Kasi hindi naman ho ka-widespread yung ano namin yung mga observations niya.
Ma'am Javier, handling daw or poor quality talaga?
No, we never had a problem kasi po before with our payslip. Nagkakaroon po kami ng shortage. Pero kasi ngayon super nipis na po yung yung piniprint ng PCSO.
Okay. Sa next hearing, gusto ko po patawag COMSEC yung thermal provider and then we have to inspect their the quality of their product and then ibabangga natin yan sa mga third party na mga thermal provider to make sure na it meets the general standard or global standard.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Kapareho sa ibang bansa. Kasi yung sa atin siguro baka very, 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 very super low quality. So gawin natin excellent quality para mapalitan natin. Who is the provider of the thermal, Mr. Robles? Saan po natin kinukuha to? Sino po ang kinontrata natin dito? And may I see the contract?
We acknowledge AGM Pachang.
AGM, who's the provider of the thermal na palagi palang pumapalpak at very low quality, sabi ni Ma'am Javier?
Yes,
And I need to see the
Good
contract.
morning, Mr. Chairman. We have recently conducted a public bidding for the thermal paper, and it was awarded to a private contractor,
And his name is? And the name is?
DTM Philippines.
Ano?
DTM Philippines, if that's...
You provide us on the next hearing the copy of the contract.
But previously, Mr. Chair, we have a supplier through the government printing facility. That's Apo Production.
Apo Production.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So yung before and yung ngayon present.
Yung po ngayon, we'll check if the deliveries have been made for those. Meron na. Okay.
Okay, Ma'am Javier, present ba o hanggang ngayon meron pa rin kayong problema sa thermal o yun noon?
Ngayon po. I
Ngayon?
mean, before kasi wala po kaming problem talaga doon
So ngayon kayo ng problema. Okay. So yung doon sa present na contractor ninyo, I need the name and I want him present next time and then tingnan natin yung kontrata and then we have to visit his facility. Tingnan natin baka mamay ito house siya, baka mamay sa isang garahe lamang ito. Nagpiprint. Baka yung mga papel galing lang sa pinupulot-pulot sa tabi-tabi, pinagdudugtong. But anyway, I'm just...
Bakit naman yung bagong PCS? So why did you rely on this 2021 memorandum? Attorney, may abogado kayo. Tignan mo na lang yung first paragraph po.
Your Honor,
It's about the guidelines daw, ni technical guidelines ninyo with the consortium Smart Info Philippines Inc. and China Latsys Synergy Enterprises. Oh, yan pa ba ang topic ngayon?
if I may, Your Honor, respond to your query po. Your Honor, as I explained earlier, during this time, PCSO was trying to expand its market. So, the ISAA, together with the previous technical guidelines on betting platforms, was submitted to the Office of the President. And we used this guidance from the Office of the President.
Kaya nga, at sa talino nga ng Executive Secretary, linimit na niya kaagad sa first paragraph pa lang ang value. So that means the memorandum cannot be misused. Linimit na niya kaagad. Tapos kayo naman, You're all presidential appointees, di ba? Alam nyo na may bago ng presidente, tama? Alam nyo na ninyo, bago ng presidente. Pagtingin nyo na Section 10, alam ninyo na ang purpose nito para alam ng presidente lahat ng kilos ninyo. Hindi ni presidente ni Duterte, but yung incumbent. Diyos ko naman na, I mean, very basic eh. I mean, nagtataka ako how come you still ganun ang... It shows that you spent the energy and you took the effort for the twisted reasoning that you are giving to us now. You want to use a very qualified opinion of the past administration, knowing fully well na nakaupo kayo dyan because you're appointed by the present administration. Alam nyo na sabi ng law, you keep the president informed of all of your acts and decisions, Section 10. Actually, ang opinion ko, Judge Reyes, is even before because sabi dito, the board of directors of the sweepstakes with the approval of the President of the Philippines, shall. So, bago kilos, inform the President of the Philippines bago kayo kumilos. Ang gusto nilang i-inform, Mr. Chairman, si President Duterte. Ang gusto nilang i-inform through E.S. Medialdea.
Exactly.
Ano?
Medyo yan. Dapat bilang respeto sa nakaupong presidente na yun ang nagka-point sa inyo, sana paso na kung ano mang mga inisyong memorandum ng previous administration. Huwag nyo na pong pansinin yun. Ang pansinin nyo kung ano yung present administration stand. Di ba?
Ang masakit dito,
Yan sinasabi
the
niya.
executive secretary contextualize his opinion. Sa first paragraph pa lang kinakita, kaya binabanggit niya in the context of with the consortium of Smart Info Philippines Incorporated and China Lot Synergy Enterprises Limited respectively. Ando na kaagad eh. Talaga naman ganyan. I think when the OJCC also gives an opinion, DOJ, and ano, they really qualified. Meron pa nga sa dulo yan na this has been rendered on the basis of the facts presented to us. Ganon yun eh. Ganon parati yun para hindi nga nami-misuse. And this is a clear example of a misuse of a past issuance of the office of the executive secretary. Pati na lang sa time limit, paso na ito, dapat yung bagong ES na. Out of respect, Chairman. Out of respect. Sa appointing power ninyo. Di ba?
Okay, what he's saying also, if I may add, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Robles and Attorney Jimenez, kasi iba si Medialdea, iba si Bersamin. Okay. So, yung inisyong opinion ni Medialdea with this letter, baka hindi mag-agree dito at hindi itong maging opinion ng present ES na si ES Bersamin. So therefore, tama yung sinasabi ni Senator Coco.
Mr. Chairman, but we're getting the opinion of the President, not the ES. It must be the President. Okay.
Okay.
Chairman, on the same topic. Same topic.
Yes, sir.
Ang nakuha ko from Attorney Patyag is kakoconduct lang ng bidding. So, definitely itong time period na rinireklamo ni Ma'am Javier and her organization, APO production ang nabanggit ninyo, ang previous supplier ninyo. Okay, pero that's a printing something. So that means you authorize APO to purchase or procure the thermal paper for you. Ganun ba ang nangyari?
No, Mr. Chair, under the rules, the government printers may print the thermal paper, which is considered at that time accountable form. Or,
Produce the thermal paper.
yes,
Bale.
they have their own printing
Okay,
facility.
so that means kung low quality nga ang papel, they are sourcing it somewhere. So we have to, so APO, Mr. Chairman, APO printing or then sino yung nag-supply ng papel. Hindi naman siya nag-produce ng papel eh. Oh. Siguro may marks, nagawa siya ng mga watermark doon or whatever.
Yes, there are security features,
security features.
required.
And si Apo ang nagsabi siya naggawa nun. But
Yes,
of course, the papers, pinocure niyo yun sa ibang provider, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, there are suppliers for the
Atrasan
paper.
natin to, pakita natin. Kasi baka paulit-ulit lang din eh. We will...
Kaya nga, tignan natin yung contract and then
Oo.
tignan natin yung...
Makabangga tayo ngayon ng pangalan ngayon, pero yan na nandito naman din sa new provider na. So kailangan makita natin to lahat, Mr. Chairman.
I-provide nyo rin sa amin, AGM, yung SEC.
And Apo, Mr. Chairman, if we can make them appear next time dito.
Yes, yun nga po.
Yung Apo.
Senator Coco.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So para masiguro natin
Okay.
na maayos yung integrity.
Mr. Chairman, to go to the quality of the paper.
Go ahead, Senator
Pag-draw natin today, may winner, ilang years bago niya maklaim at mapaso na yung kanyang pagkapanalo?
1 year po, Your Honor.
Napakaikli niyan, di ba? Maikli yan. Or in some other jurisdictions, ganyan din kaikli ang mga lotto games nila.
I think nasa charter po yun, yung period of claiming. Nasa charter po ng PCSO.
The law? Says it, the law.
Opo,
The law.
opo.
Can you cite the law? Can you cite para ma-check lang po namin? Okay. Ngayon from the experience, lalo na yung siguro, ang ating mga tellers, siyempre may ang ating mga operators, how soon nag-fade na yung mga nakaprint doon sa papel? Oh. I'm sure after 1 year, wala na siguro yun. Yung jackpot ticket yun, hindi mo na mababasa yung mga numero na andun. From experience po, ma'am, zero. Baka alam na ni Miss Salvador to as the clapped president.
Ay, yung dati po yung orange, yun yung pinaka maganda yung ano niya, print. Matagal siya mag-fade.
Okay.
Tapos
Orange.
meron yung pink.
Okay.
Yun yung parang naranasan ko na medyo madali siyang mag-fade. Pero hindi naman siya naabot ng 1 year. Yung mga 6 to 7 months. Tsaka siguro yung iba, depende sa handling ng ticket nila.
So ano ngayon currently? Orange or pink ngayon? Kung bumibili ng mga ticket, Arwin the orange pa? Panahon ng orange o pink na?
Pink na po ngayon.
Pink na tayo ngayon. So nakita na. Nakita natin bumaba ang
May,
quality.
excuse me sir, may point of clarification lang po ako. Yung kasi nung nakaraan, di ba sinabi na 9,000 sales out of 14,000 cancellations. Para pong imposible naman yun. Yung cancellation po kinukuha sa sales eh. Paano magkakaroon ka ng 9,000 sales tapos ang cancellation 14,000? Another point of clarification is yung...
Right there. 9,000 sales, 14,000 cancellations.
Yes po.
Can you explain that, Mr. GM?
Sir, what we found out was that there were 9,000 cancellations, pero ang sale is only 6,000. Yan po ang kaya nag-flag sa amin yun.
What we heard last hearing.
We will show you po the report on that para hindi na po tayo magkamali. Tsaka po anong outlet po. We can, Mr. Chairman, we can furnish you yung nakita namin na yun.
Okay. Makasigil, Mr. Senator Coco.
Tsaka may member po ako sa GC ko na
Ma'am, sandali pa
21,000.
ma'am, bago ko makalimutan. So, nagpe-paid yung numero. Sabihin natin, nag-paid yung numero in 7 months. So, kapag nag-paid na, valid pa rin ho ba yung winning ticket na yon? Kung paid na lahat ng numero. Granting lahat ng numero na wala na. Pati yung tawag niyan, serial number. Kasi nga, poor quality ng paper. Naging blanco na yung ticket. Ano mangyayari? Kasi sinabi niya, 6 to 7 months.
Mr.
AGM.
Chair,
Palit pa ba yung ticket? Kung burado na lahat, pati yung serial number, pati number and all. Granting, ganun nangyari.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. So, ang policy ng PCSO, allowing 1 year to claim yung price. Ngayon po,
Kaya nga po.
yung ticket po, sir, we have constant reminder na they should keep it, kasi sabi nga po nung teller kanina na proper handling.
Sir,
Yes,
papaiksi natin. Huwag na tayong pa-bullshit, sorry. Tayo paikot-ikot dito. Sinasabi niya, dahil sa poor quality, kasalanan nyo dyan sa PCSO, nag-hire kayo ng contractor na palpak